Hey friends, it's Autumn with Rollout Savings, and I'm going to show you what exactly I did to get some Tide plus some bonus things for under $10. First and foremost, we want to get the Tide Power Pods. You want to get these right here, or any of them that are $9.95 in the bag. You want to get those. You also want to get a Bounce Pet dryer sheet. They look like this. You want to get these. Last but not least, you also want to get 2 Febreze, either the twin packs of the small spaces, the Febreze Air. I got the single refills, I got those, and because I don't have any of these other than one, I got a warmer as well. I'm going to run the coupons across the screen that you want to clip, but you would want to do the $2 Tide, the $2.05 Tide. One is a manufacturer, the other one is a store coupon. You also want to clip the $1 off Bounce sheets. You want to clip the $5 off Bounce Gain or Downy. One is a manufacturer coupon, the other is a store coupon, and they are attaching together on the Bounce dryer sheets. You also, of course, want to clip that BOGO Febreze, the $3.30 off of 2 Febreze, and make sure you get that $2.30 off of 1 warmer if you're going to do this deal. And my total after everything was only $8.67. That's after tax. My subtotal before, just $7.50. So make sure that you clip these coupons, and you're definitely going to save $22.20. Oh, that reminds me, make sure you clip that digital Monday through Friday 5 off 25. It's not the black square that has the 5 in it, it's the yellow square that has the black 5 in it. Make sure you clip that, because at an old system store, it's working. Here's my receipt. Don't forget to head over to Family Dollar. I'm gonna link our web post that was made for the Family Dollar clearance. We're talking Suavitel liquid fabric softener and sheets for only 75 cents. Talkies are only 99 cents. I'm getting ready to head there now because I have some tweens and teens in the house that absolutely eat these up. But I'm gonna head there. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.